Alright, so step one is I have to convert all of the old files, which is all these here. Let me get over to this. Every one of these files is 1,400 files. And I have to convert them because they don't work on this machine. This machine's too new for them. So I have to convert them all one at a time into a 720 new folder that I've labeled here. So what does that look like? Well, so I'll go one video, go to export, 720. I've already set up, well no I did not. So I have to set up a folder because I'm now making it a little more organized. And voila. So it takes about, each clip really doesn't take that long, but when you're doing them in batch mode, in terms of one at a time, it gets a little tedious. So yeah, this is my life now. So I'm gonna do this 1,400 times. That's step one. I know there's probably an easier way to do all this stuff with like certain kinds of software and da-da-da-da-da. I'm too cheap for all that. The reason why I'm having to convert all these files, by the way, is that we shot on mini DV. Let me see if I can find an example of it somewhere. Hold on. One of these bad boys. Yeah. So the whole movie was shot on these at, actually at 60, or not 60 frames, at 30 frames per second, so not your standard 24. And actually that has nothing to do with it, it's just the tape thing. So it was, when I uploaded it in 2010, I did so on an older computer, and I had Final Cut, I believe was what I was using at the time, I'm pretty sure. I had phased out of iMovie. iMovie 1, whatever it was, and into Final Cut 7. And so it had the DV plugins, but Adobe does not. And I was looking for the plugins for Adobe. They don't have them for the new systems. I don't understand why not, because there's so much archival footage. You would think that there would be something. Now, I'm going to post this video, and if someone has a better suggestion as to how to batch convert all these files, I'm totally open for that, because doing it one at a time, while super fun to go down memory lane, is also kind of a pain in the ass. So anyway, that's what I'm up to. That's the phase one of conversion, which is actually kind of nice because it is like seeing the footage again and getting reacquainted with it. I think that as an editor, you need to know that footage so well that the director would be impressed that you knew his movie or her movie better than them. And since I am the director, I should definitely know a lot more than myself.